Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, after a long time I am back with some Excel material. Today in this video I am going to show you how to mark entire row and column corresponding to a selected cell in an Excel table. More precisely, consider this table here, and suppose I click on any cell here like this, and suppose I want to read all the entries in the row and column corresponding to this particular cell. That means elements entries in this particular row and entries in this particular column. Now it is not difficult, but sometimes you may lose track, and then you have to look at this cell once again and this number also once again, or this column number. Okay, so it's slightly difficult if the table is large, but look at this particular Excel table. Now here, if I click on any cell like this, then see that entire row and this entire column is colored. Okay, and now if you go to the right, the selected cell is not visible, but the corresponding row is visible with color. Or if we go down, again selected cell is not visible, but the corresponding column is visible. So you can very easily read the entries. Now how all this thing is done? So we go back to this particular table. So for that, what we have to do? We have to mark this entire table first. So I click on this Control Shift right arrow and then Control Shift down arrow. So everything is selected. You can select it using mouse also, like this. Entire table is marked like this. You can do it like this also. Now go to the Home button and go to the conditional formatting here, and then go to this new rule. Then this particular window will come up. Then click on this last one, use a formula to determine which cell to format. And here you have to write something. Now what you have to write is this. For your benefit, let me write something here. So what we have to write is the following: equal to row, then open bracket, close bracket, equal to cell, open bracket, double quote, ROW, double quote closed, this quote. Now this particular statement you have to write here. So we write it here. So we write it like this: equal to ROW, open bracket, close bracket, equal to cell, open bracket, double quote, ROW, double quote closed, open bracket closed. That's all. And then go to this format and go to this fill and choose any color of your choice. So let us choose say this particular color. Okay, any color you can choose. So I choose this color and then click OK, and then here also click OK. All right. So you see this row is colored. So again we select entire thing. If you just click here, entire thing is selected. Okay. If it is not selected, then again select the entire table. Select entire table, go to Home button, go to conditional formatting, and then again new rule, and then again this last use formula to determine which cells to format, and now use column. So instead of row, I'll write column. So here, instead of row, I'll write column, but this inside row, I'll write col col. So let me write like this. So equal to column open bracket close bracket, then equal to cell, then open bracket double quote, and then col double quote closed, this closed. Okay. So just write in place of row ROW, we will write COL. So we have written COL, and then again go to format. After going to format, we can choose same color or you can choose different color, doesn't matter. Okay, let us choose a different color if you like. No problem. So we will choose a different color here. Okay. All right, make it slightly deeper so that it is visible. So click OK and then click this OK. So you see that we have chosen a different color. So different color is visible here. Okay. Select OK. Now what you see, just click anywhere. Now it is not changing. The color is here, this column and this row. Now one option is if I go down sufficiently so that this table becomes completely hidden. So using scroll button of this scroller of this mouse button, this what is called in your mouse, use scroll button and then go down like this. Okay, and then if you go up, then you see this cell is automatically selected. Okay, so this is one option. I'll show you the shortcut also using other method. So just click this one. Say I click this one. So still this one is colored. So one option is just use the scroll button in your mouse and then go up. See, this is automatically colored. So this is of course one method, a crude method, but the best method is like this. You go to this name of the sheet. Here it is sheet 1, it is written. Do you see it? Okay. This one, this sheet button. Okay. So right click this sheet button. Okay. And go to this view code. Click on this view code. Then a window will open like this. Okay. So which file I am talking about? Yes, this one, XLX. And now here of course two Excel files are open, but our file is this one. Our file is this one, mark row col XLX. So automatically it has come here only. Okay, because I have come here through clicking from this sheet 1. So I'll come here. So after coming here, go to this general, click on this worksheet. So you will see that something is already written. Okay, private sub and something is written and then end sub. So in between private sub and end sub, here you write target, TARGET, and then full stop, and then CAL. Okay, calculate is already there. Now press the tab key in from your keyboard. So press tab so that this calculate will come here. Okay, and now close this. And now you see, if I click here, see automatically the color has come here. So this is row color, this is column. If I click here, automatically, no need of using scrolling button. You need not, no need to scroll this table using scroller of your mouse. So if you click here, it will go there automatically. Okay. So, and if you want to make this table large, suppose I want to make this table large. Okay. So Control Shift Enter, and then I'll make this table large, sufficiently large like this, and then I pull it like this. So now I have a huge table, but even with the huge table also it will work. Anywhere you click, you see this one, and now go to the top. So this is the entry in the second row of the table corresponding to the selected cell in the this particular column, selected column. Okay, and if you go on the right also or on the left, okay, uh, okay, like this. So yeah, so this was the row where we have selected a cell. So if you go like this one, so like this, so anywhere you select, you will see. So even though the selected cell is not visible, but the corresponding row is clearly visible. Now you can easily read the entries. Okay. So now last but not the least, how to save this file. Okay. So we have to, if you just click on this, it will give some problem. Say let's click here. It will say something that there are some VBA code. So ordinary saving will not work. So what you have to do, you have to go back and then you have to do save as. So save as, where I want to save this file, say I save it here. Okay, and then this type of window will open, and save as type. So instead of Excel workbook, you have to save it as Excel macro enabled workbook from here. Okay, just click on Excel macro enabled workbook. So now the file name is mark row call dot xlm. Earlier it was xlx. Okay, so just click on save. So it is saved as a macro enabled Excel book. Now if you close this file, so suppose I close this file, I close this file also, and now this is my okay, this is my file which I have saved. So here you can see there are two files. One is mark row call dot xlx, another is mark row call dot xlm. Now here that VBA code file will not be there. So here you see, if I click on this, no color, nothing. Okay, so I close it. But if I click on this xlsm macro enabled file, if I click on this, then this file will open, and now if I click here, you see color is coming. Okay, so don't forget to save it like this as an macro enabled file, then you can use it again and again. Okay, so I hope this video will be useful for you, and thanks for watching my video.